breakaway standing by. Environment secure. Pick up the boy and proceed to LZ.
All right, we gotta hurry up now, dude. You gotta pick it up. We gotta get to the museum. Let's go, go, go. All right, here's the plan. Ready? Big. I have to find an old robot. Way old. Okay, his name is Jetfire. He's supposed to know everything about the Decepticons. Simmons says he can explain the entire thing to us, okay? He's the clarifier. That's where we're going.
Approaching museum.
Thanks for the ride. I'll give you a shout once I find Jetfire. And listen, do not let anyone else in. You got me?
Stay in one piece. Can't afford to strand the boy.
My old wings aren't up for intercontinental flight, so we'll be taking a trans-dimensional space bridge.
A space bridge? No, I don't know anything about that. Usually take coach, but I just don't know. I'll do it. I just don't know why. You know, why Egypt? That's the big question.
Don't be daft, boy. The dagger's tip, the harvest of the sun. The things you've been describing, they're all in Egypt. Now, in you go.
The museum has been destroyed, my lord, as you ordered.
Then why do I sense your fear? Have you disappointed me again?
Jetfire and the boy used a space bridge to escape the collapse. The boy still lives.
Good. He is too valuable to kill. Why did I know you would fail me?
I see you fight as if you hunger for victory. Good. We will continue to fight until no Autobot is left standing.
Now, back to battle! Let us see how much pain the humans will take before they relinquish the boy. The boy has escaped us. He has fled with Jetfire to the deserts of Egypt.
Then that is where the Harvester shall be found.
The Harvester, my liege?
The dynasty of primes built a machine to harvest energy from the universe's many suns. But my brothers were weak and afraid to use the Harvester on inhabited star systems. Only I was willing to do what was necessary. But my brothers betrayed me by hiding the Harvester. Without Energon, I was forced to leave Earth, abandoning it to the human vermin who infest it to this day. But now, the Harvester is close. Find it, my apprentice, and I shall bestow upon you the powers of the dynasty. You too shall be a Prime.